Hi, welcome to DG5 Digital Inspiration Factory. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. There is an African inspirational quote which says, "Every morning in Africa, when the sun rises, a gazelle wakes up. It knows it must run faster than the fastest lion or it will be killed. Every morning when the sun rises, the lion wakes up and it knows it must outrun the slowest gazelle or it will starve to death. It doesn't matter whether you are a lion or a gazelle. When the sun comes up, you better be running." It is important to observe the difference between the animals that are both running. The lion is running for its prey and the gazelle is running away from the lion to survive and save its life. If the lion loses, it can go for a day without eating. But if the gazelle loses, it can't see the next day. Gazelles are capable of running at speeds of 100 kilometers per hour. But on that moment, it matters how fast the gazelle could run on that day. What if the gazelle happens to run with less speed? Game over. It will not see the sunrise the next day. The gazelle has to be alert and be prepared at all times. Every second of time is precious for the gazelle as it has to pick up high speeds within a few seconds and stay ahead of the lion to survive, and there is no second chance. Many times in your life, when opportunity approaches you, what you do with them depends on how alert and prepared you are at that moment. You can use the opportunity or you can miss it. If you want to be successful tomorrow, work towards it from today, this moment, and attack the day with a game plan. Adopt positive attitudes. Don't waste time. Time is precious and every hour that is wasted can never be regained. Pride, laziness, not going the extra mile, being irresponsible, etc. are some of the many reasons why many people are not able to seize the opportunity that come in their way. So friends, every day when the sun rises, let us wake up early, prepare, work hard, upgrade our skills and attitudes and be prepared to grab the opportunity. Let's not dare to allow anyone or anything to stop us from seizing every opportunity that the day brings in. Life is a precious gift from God. Be thankful, be prepared, and seize every opportunity that comes in your way. 3 things never come back: the spent arrow, the spoken word, and the lost opportunity. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. That's the thought I'd love to share with you today. Change your thoughts, change your life. The choice is yours. Celebrate life. Have a great day. Thank you for listening and please subscribe Digital Inspiration Factory.